How to withdraw money from Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about withdrawing money in Shopify in the easiest and simplest way possible. So let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, to withdraw money, you're going to come over to your settings and you're going to go into your payments to set a payment provider. Now, obviously, you're going to choose some type of bank as your provider, right? If you want to withdraw money from your Shopify. So you're obviously going to go with a provider that's available in your country, right? So, you could do it directly to some bank, or you could do it directly to maybe your Visa, MasterCard, or any other thing. So as you can see, Paymob is supported for me. So I'm just going to simply go ahead and connect my Paymob. So it's, different debit and credit card payments. So once I connect this to Paymob, it's going to install itself as my sales channel. And what that will do is, any amount of money I get on Shopify will be sent to my credit card that I put on Paymob. Okay. And from my credit card, I can withdraw it to my bank. And that's pretty much about it. So yeah, add Paymob and or any type of provider that is available for you and you're good to go. So that's about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.